A welcome building with gabled roofs at the corner of a multi-building apartment complex. An elevated road curves around a grassy hillside in front. People shake hands in a lobby across from a lounge with couches, chairs facing a fireplace and flat-screen TV, with a pool table behind. A courtyard patio with two pools surrounded by lounge chairs and umbrellas. A woman rides a bike down the road. A man plays a piano. A woman brings her laptop to a set of chairs in front of the window looking out to a grilling area. She opens the windows and smiles outside. Shuffleboard. A sack toss area. Patio furniture and a fire pit nearby. A woman shuts a locker by a row of mirrors above a counter. She walks through a fitness center and uses a stair machine. Ellipticals and treadmills. Weight equipment. A sauna. She walks in with a towel. Forest surrounds the main complex, with a similar set of buildings down the road around a creek. A woman walks a dog past the pool. A fenced dog park with picnic table. A woman feeds her dog a treat. A dog washing room with dog treats. A private living space with an open floor plan kitchen and living room. A woman walks out her framed glass rear door to a balcony. An island surrounded by stools. A fan spins over a bedroom. Shelves flank a bed with a semicircular headboard. A bathroom with dual vanity and walk-in shower. She throws on a backpack and walks past several closets to leave the apartment. Walks down steps to a sidewalk running parallel the pool deck. A man types on a laptop beside a thermos labeled Maxwell Luxury Apartments. He works in a booth inside an arch in a lounge. More lounge space with a kitchen. The sign out front. Handicap accessible. Equal housing opportunity.